creating colorful artwork to shine bright for a new Hilton Head Island tradition. Students in several schools on the island are busy constructing lanterns for the first ever lantern parade this weekend. The event was created by an artist who for years has held parades in other cities and towns as a way to illuminate life. At Hilton Head Island School for the Creative Arts, a group of students are working on this massive shrimp boat.
Because it really represents Hilton Head with all the shrimp and the shrimp boats. So we were using all like plastic, cardboard, zip ties, and we were trying to make a captain's quarter for the boat, and we put buoys on it, and at nighttime it's gonna shine.
Other students in the school designed colorful jellyfish.
And I use little papers that can hang down and other little things, because I think it would be cool at night with the flashlight and it will look like it's like in the air floating and swimming.
Art students at Hilton Head Island Elementary School are using recycled materials for their design.
The design is like nature and how it could be recycled, and stuff about Hilton Head because we have a lot of nature.
The kids have had fun making flowers for the lantern.
We made our flower by recycling water bottles, and we used ink for them and stamped them on, and then we glued them to the lantern.
When we're making our flowers, we can take a heat gun, and when we spray it, it makes it curl up, so it'll make a flower.
At Hilton Head Island Middle School, students are creating their lanterns to look like cartoon faces or sea life.
I'm trying to make a turtle because I like turtles and they're cool creatures, so I'm starting with kind of paper mache at the top for the shell with Mod Podge and stuff, and then I created a face out of different colored paper.
The Lantern Parade is Saturday. It starts at 7 p.m. and will travel north along South Forest Beach up to Coligny Beach Park. On Hilton Head Island, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.